Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a box opening that I bought from Yarn Canada. Okay, so I just wanted to share you this. I have never bought from Yarn Canada before. This is my first, and I really like them. Oh, I think I bought it. Yes, I'm sorry. I do apologize. I bought last year just to find out. I went to their link and I ordered the Lika circular needles. So this is my second haul, but I wasn't quite sure because it said mill and yarn. So I just wanted to try it out and see how it works out. And the price were very reasonable. Okay, so what I did is I'm going to make another video. I'm doing some donations to the homeless here in Edmonton. Unfortunately, it's sad, but we have to take care of them. Like, we have to support them either way, whatever you can give them from your heart. So that's what I've been trying to figure out. So what I did is I hopped into the Yarn Canada yarn and I thought, oh, this would be great for men, because usually my colors are vibrant rainbow colors, so you know, that's what I have a lot in my stash. So I thought to myself, and I did give away lots of yarn, so I didn't have anything to knit with or crochet with. So I hopped and I grabbed this bag, and I already started an Afghan. And it's half, so it's $8.99 Canadian dollars. I will put the link for yarncanada.ca or .com. I can't remember what was their link, but I will put it below. So this is 100% acrylic. It's super soft. I believe this is Burnett, and Burnett are sold like around approximately $6 per ball. So this is about about half a gram. 454 grams, so it's 1 pound. So I think it's a great deal for $8.99. What do you guys think? It's super soft, so the color is gray tan that I picked, and I bought 2 bags of this. The one I already started a hat, and will make a tutorial about that too. It's very super easy. That's what I'm trying to do, because on the 22nd they're gonna come and pick the box. And so this is very nice yarn, and I think it's a great deal for $8.99, so I bought 2. So what I did is, I've been hearing a lot of stuff about this yarn. Stone-washed sheepies? I don't know, cheapies? I don't know how to pronounce this name. And I think it's a Denmark. It doesn't say where it is made in. Like, usually they write it's made in Canada, or it's made in Turkey, or it's made in Denmark. They should write it down, right? And there's not much information about the yarn. So yeah, this is all it says here. But I love it. It's so soft. I bought this so I can make an octopus for the newborn. That's what I've been working on. Remember, I did a tutorial for that. And I'm preferring to work with cotton yarn like this. So this is perfect for them. So I said, let me just try it out and see. There's 50 grams, and I believe this is a 2/8. It's going to be a little bit bigger than what I have crocheted, but yeah, and it's what does it say? It's 78% cotton and 22% acrylic, but I love it. It's soft to the skin. So just wanted to try that out and see how it feels. Okay, here's another yarn that I was always wondering what it was all about. So I grabbed one of this, but it's 4-weight. It's pretty thick to crochet for octopus. I don't know, maybe I'll do something with it, or dishcloth. But it is very good quality, and I saw these lot in Turkey. They were like sold for $2, but I paid 5 something. I don't have it off my head how much I paid, but it was, yeah, it's pretty expensive, $5. So it's 100% mercerized cotton. It's good quality though, very good. It's 100 grams. It's pretty heavy because it's thick. Okay, so I said to myself, $8.99. Let me grab those cotton ones. Cotton bags. My goodness, these are like Burnett Handicrafter cotton. It's the same, but it's half a kilogram. It's 454 gram, 1 pound. So that's a great deal for $8.99, I think. What do you guys think? So I bought 2 of this. 2 just in case. The color, I was going for more to gray because I don't have many grays in my stash. And I just wanted to see, this is the snow color. Oh, let me just show you the color of this. I forgot to show you. Okay, this color, let me see, where does it say? Silver Argent Plata. Very good quality. And this one, I picked a burgundy because I didn't have burgundy soft. Here it is. This is the color 810, lot 7126. I don't know if it would help. Okay, for this color, this was taupe. And that's the color. But I don't think they had gray. You just want to try and find out, right? So this, it says snow. It looks like it's pure white. Yeah, I have lots of white yarn. Yeah, you can't always say no to white yarn, right? Okay, and then I wanted to see what this was, and this is 100% the ones that you buy from Walmart. They're like $10.99 or $11.99 at Walmart, and at Michael's they're about $14.99. $14.99, and I paid $8.99, so it is a great deal. And then if you spend over $65, you get free shipping in Canada. It arrived pretty fast from Richmond, BC. I live in Edmonton, Alberta. So for Canadians subscribers, if you're watching this, I would highly recommend this. These yarn, it's a great deal. And I'm sure I'm going to be making lots of stuff with these, and I will share it with you. So I forgot to show you the color. This one, here we go. Croix Seas Umbery. So there's 1 pound of gorgeous cotton yarn. They didn't put it in these. These are from my Amazon. My son, he loves reading, and he buys books. We get 2 boxes at least a day. He just loves reading. So yeah, those are from Amazon. This has nothing to do. So I bought 2 of these, and I will do a tutorial right away after I do the video about the homeless that I'm working, what I have donated so far this month, and then this last month, and then we will go from there. Just wanted to share you this haul that I bought from Yarn Canada, and I'm super happy. I saved up, but I wanted to work on these for the homeless. Cotton, I don't think they would need cotton because they live outside, right, outdoors. Yeah, if you have any ideas, what should I make for homeless? I would really appreciate it if you write it on the comment section. So I hope you like this short show off sharing my haul from Yarn Canada. Even you have so much yarn in your stash, you always go and buy more. But what can you do? This is life, right? But the thing is, I'm not going shopping this month, so I sweared. I did another buy from Yarn Paradise, about $50. Well, the shipping is expensive. I don't try to go over $20 when I'm buying outside of Canada. Then we get scammed with BAM, or I don't know what you say it, custom fee. And custom fees like starts with $20 if you spend $20 and over. So instead of paying that $20, you buy less, and then you buy more later, what you need. So I will share as soon as that arrives. I will share you that video. It's and I ordered some labels These are silicone labels. I have never seen them. They're coming from Russia, so I will share you that too. I'm so excited about them. I don't know if you remember, I did share when I bought it from Turkey when I was there. They're pretty good leather, but I wanted something soft for the babies. Okay, so that's all I can say for this video. I hope you liked this video that I have shared with you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting, happy knitting!